All right, so AI side hustle number one is to create websites for local businesses. Now, I personally believe that this is one of the best ways to start making money with AI because there are a lot of local businesses that don't have the time to go and build these websites themselves. Maybe they don't have time, or maybe they don't understand how to use artificial intelligence, or maybe they're just trying to focus on their business. Now, when I say a local business, this could be a chiropractor, a landscaper, or even a restaurant owner. Basically, any and everybody that has a business and runs that business locally. Now, what you can do, you can use AI to build an entire website for these businesses. Now, the crazy thing is you can literally build an entire website in less than 30 seconds using this website right here. Now, the website is called durable.co. Now, let me show you how to build an entire website in 30 seconds.
Let's go.
And just to point this out, this is entirely free, no credit card required. But the first thing you're going to want to do is click generate your website. And then it's going to ask you for what type of business. I'm just going to put in chiropractor. And then it's going to ask you where your business is located. I just put California. And then it's going to ask you what is the name of your business. I just made something up. We can call it Chiropractor Hero. And now, as you can see, it's literally building the website right before your eyes using artificial intelligence. Now, this only took less than 30 seconds. And as you can see, it created an entire website that I can now use and offer to any business. And look at it, guys. It looks beautiful. If you're not tech savvy, this type of thing will save your life and you can make money in the process. But look, it has a book now page, relieve your pain today. It has an about us page. It has the services and everything. It even has some testimonials. It has a gallery, the location, and an opt-in page, everything you need. And of course, guys, if you want it to regenerate, it can do it again and give you some different options. And you can go in and still edit and customize it by clicking here or click customize, where you can change the fonts and the colors. But this is magnificent artificial intelligence technology that you can use to build a website in under 30 seconds. Now, what you would do, you would send the chiropractor agency this website, let them take a look at it, and any changes they want to make, you can just customize it to their liking. But let me tell you, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 for this service. Now, as far as finding clients, all you would have to do is go to Google Maps, and there you can see all the local businesses in your area. And I got you on that part. Here's another cool AI software that you can use to find clients for as well. So here's a cool artificial intelligence website called outboundflow.ai. Now, what's so crazy about this website, all you would have to do is just give it your location, and it will create and send emails to all those potential chiropractor clients on your behalf. And it's going to write these emails out for you in a way that you would have never figured out how to do. Like I said, this is all generated using artificial intelligence. Using this technology, you could tell it how much you want to charge, the type of businesses that you're trying to use, and it's going to create these awesome emails for you. And then it's literally going to find all the perfect prospects for those emails in the area that you're actually telling it where to look. Now, this is an amazing way to make money because artificial intelligence is going to do all the work for you. As you get good, you can raise your prices, but if you're just starting out, you can start out with as low as $200 and work your way up to $500 and even $1,000 to $2,000 for this service.